Okay, we've got our trusty gear reduction starter from Classic Car Performance. I actually ordered this. I don't remember when I ordered it. I feel like I ordered it maybe in November, December, something. It's actually one of the first parts that we ordered, because I thought that, and I still think that we had a dead starter, one of the original style bendix starters, and just decided that gear reduction starter seemed to make a whole lot of sense. Now we got the starter with the little extra wire on it. There it is, that compact little thing. Great. So I specifically ordered this starter because it actually has an adjustable adapter here. And from what I heard, these gear reduction starters, they don't always fit right with the mechanical fuel pump, which we're keeping at least for now. But in the meantime, we've got this ready to go. So we will get this thing bolted on at least, and then we'll worry about the wiring and stuff in a little while. But get it attached. Now I have the original spacer and shim from the original bendix starter, but it's looking like I'm probably not going to need it. Well, we might end up using it. The nice thing about the engine not being in the car is that we can actually put this in and we can check the flywheel and see how this lines up. So we may or may not need this. And then, do we need the shim? I don't know. We'll see. So, well, all that remains to be discovered. Alright, we have committed to the electronic fuel pump. And we did that because we decided to move to a gear reduction starter from the original bendix starter design. And because it wouldn't clear the mechanical fuel pump, because everything was obviously designed originally to work with the bendix starter, we ended up buying a blanking plate from Moss. There it is. Got a gasket behind it to keep it sealed. This blanking plate, we retained the original spacer from the bendix starter. And the nice thing about this particular starter from BritishStarters.com, it does have an adjustable ring right here, adjustable plate, and that allows us to get the mounting just right so that it will actually clear the footwell area when we put the engine back in. So, ultimately, this worked out nicely. I'm on the fence about whether I would have wanted to keep the mechanical fuel pump or not. The old bendix starter needed to be replaced no matter what, so the cost of both of them was about the same when I looked into it. So I ended up spending a little more to get the electric fuel pump, and I've got some extra projecting to do with that. But generally I'm happy with the setup.